of Medagiri School. Let us read a poem today. What Tommy feels, understands, what helps Tommy to know the world around him. We know we have sense organs that help us to know what happens around us. This lesson, this poem tells us about the sense organs and their functions, the way they help us. What are the sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. We know how do these organs help us. Read the poem. Tommy's ears helping to hear and keep his balance too. We know that ears help us to listen something, hear. Also, ears have another duty to keep the balance of human beings. To have the control over the body. To have the body balance, our ears should work well. Yes, Tommy's ears help him to hear and keep his balance too. Not only hearing, but to keep the body control. It needs body balance. It needs ears. Tommy's eyes help him to see if something red or blue. Eyes, how do they help us? To understand, to identify things, to identify colors, to see the beauty of the world. Imagine how pathetic it will be, how sad it will be if you do not have eyes. So, we must be kind to the blind. We must help them because we enjoy that blessing, the sight, blessing of sight. So, those who do not have it, we have all the responsibilities to assist them, guide them, help them. We should be kind to them. Tommy's hands helping touch and know how just things feel. Yes, hand in the sense, our skin helps us to know things around us, whether it is cold, hot, burning, frozen. Our skin helps us to know. Skin is the largest organ, biggest organ of our body, and this is the thing that helps us to know how things around us. It will help us to feel the things. Yes, Tommy's hands in the sense, skin, help him touch and know just how things feel. Tommy's tongue help him taste a sour lemon peel. Yes, it is the tongue that helps us to know the different tastes. That is yet another gift from God. Tongue is a very special organ that helps us to take food. If, imagine, had we lack tongue, food will not have that taste. We may not feel interested to eat at all. It is because we have a tongue and it is able to identify the taste. We are waiting for the next meal. It is really a blessing. We must be thankful to God for that. So, Tommy's tongue helped him to taste a sour lemon peel. It's not only sour taste, be it sweet or salty, whatever it may be, it is tasted. We come to know the taste because we have tongue to help us. Tommy's nose helps him to smell the food he likes to chew. Yes, it is the nose that helps us to get the fragrance, smell of things. If there is something dirty, we get to the smell in advance and we avoid that way. We move our way and go another side. It is because our nose helps us. The same way, when something sweet, we enjoy the fragrance of a flower because we have the power of smelling. Our nose helps us to smell things. Tommy's senses help him think, decide and learn to do. Yes, our sense organs, our sense help us to choose the correct path of our life, in our life. Whether to go to good, right way or wrong way, it's in our concern. We can decide what to do. For that, our sense organs help us. Tommy's senses help him think, decide and learn to do. Yes, it is like using our common sense. These sense organs will give us the instincts, they will give us the directions, and it is our common sense finally that help us to decide whether what to select. We know that a thing is hot, but to touch it or not, it is our common sense that decides. It is our sense that help us to know, learn and do things. Tommy has 5 senses as this picture of him shows. Tommy's helpers, ears and eyes and hands and tongue and nose. Yes. These are Tommy's helpers. These are our helpers. These sense organs help us a lot in our daily life. Finally, once again I tell you, we must be thankful to God and our parents that we got such a blissful life. And we are all blessed with all these sense organs that help us to choose the right way, right things to do. So, we must be thankful to God. Look at page number 27. There is exercises. Exercise B. Pick out pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Write them here. If you look at the last words of each lines, you may get rhyming words. For example, keep its balance too. If something red or blue, too blue, they are rhyming words. You must write for each blank two rhyming words. Okay? And then look at exercise C. Look at the pictures. Write how each of them help us. Write the function of each of the sense organs there. There are 4 sense organs. Skin is not shown there. So you must write how these sense organs, these organs help us. What are the functions of these organs? Let us go to the exercise D, page number 27. Read these sentences and unscramble the words given in the list below. For example, first one is GHTSI. If you unscramble these spellings, you will get a word sight. And in the first line of the small poem written there, new green shoots can be seen all around. So sight is good to identify green. Yes. That means whether a matter is green or red, we are able to understand because we have the sight. Yes. So do that exercise also. And that is the end of the class today. Have a nice day.